as if I'm already chose. Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tight every time that I post. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tight every time that I post. Damn, it's not bad, they be on my ass. I could hear you hating from the back. Balenciaga baddie got a bag. Nigga mention ate it from the back.
Some banana, hello Kaya, hey my lovey dovies, my sub beast. Hey yo, it's your girl Kristen Putty, and today I'm gonna show you how to make dumplings, le Dombolo, the South African version. So this is my finished products of the dumplings, how they look like. Yours could probably look more beautiful. I'm really bad at deco, but this is the finished product of the dumplings. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it step by step. There are alternatives to this ingredient. It's not a standard thing. It goes about your preference and what you actually like doing. So if you want to know how to do a South African version of dumplings, le Dombolo, stay tuned. I promise you, it will fulfill your taste buds.
I'm living in my pride. I am true. I am strong. I am worthy. Living in my pride. I am a woman. I am a mother. I am a daughter, and I'm living in my pride. I am black, I am brown, I am round, living in my pride. I am a song. I am the drum. Living in my pride. I am a singer. I am a dancer. I am music. Living in my pride. I am a tree. I am a flower. I am spirit, living in my pride. I am freedom. I am equality. I am God, living in my pride. I am you. You are me. We are me. Living in our pride. Living in our pride.
eggs. So this is my dish for tonight. So if you like this, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment under this video, and you can get more cooking tips and foods, South African version foods that you might like.